Alright, welcome to Garage SM. Welcome viewers. No camera, no nothing. But I want to show you this. This is a Datsun 260 that I got a while back. It's got an RB26 Tech. It's rusty.
Everything goes in the box.
Alright. Some rusty ass. Alright, we're gonna fix the rust. You're lucky that you can't smell anything through the video. But this smells like absolute shit. And something's died under that guard. I don't really want to find out, but
What?
Oh boy. Wow. What tool is that?
It's a tool that takes care of bloody nuts of the seas.
Oh, okay. Holy shit. Don't burn the glass.
Hey?
Don't burn the glass.
Don't burn the glass.
Fuck.